What's going on, everyone? This is your man Ant, and welcome to the unboxing of Canaan Avalon Nano 3 Bitcoin miner. This miner is also a portable heater. Because we filmed this during the heat wave, I didn't test the portable heater. I'm already sweating like a hooker in church. During the winter months, this will heat a small room or office. While heating your room, why not earn some Bitcoin? The Nano 3 has a hash rate of 4 terahash. Not bad for a home miner. With the multiple colors Canaan offers for the Nano 3, they are great conversation starters. Let's start the unboxing. This was the unboxing of Canaan Avalon Nano 3 Bitcoin miner, available on btminers.com. The link will be in the description. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy mining.